Welcome back, year ones. Get your English activity pack out and practice your spelling words for Thursday. Once you've done that, year ones, open your English activity pack up on Thursday. For today, year ones, you need to read the story called Supermarket and answer the questions that follow. Okay, I will read the story to you. It's called Supermarket. I'm lost among a maze of cans behind a pyramid of jams, quite near asparagus and rice, close to the oriental spice, and just before sardines. I hear my mother calling, Joey, Joe. Where are you, Joe? Where did you go? And I reply in a voice concealed among the candied orange peel and packs of chocolate dreams. I hear you, mother dear. I'm here, quite near the ginger ale and beer, and lost among a maze of cans behind a pyramid of jams, quite near asparagus and rice, close to the oriental spice, and just before sardines. But still my mother calls me Joe. Where are you, Joe? Where did you go? Somewhere around asparagus that's in a sort of broken glass, beside a kind of messy jar that's near a tower of cans that fell and squashed the chocolate dreams. Your ones, I have a hint for you. If you look closely, these sentences over here are written in the form of a pyramid, okay? And here they speak of a maze of cans behind a pyramid of jams, okay? So pyramid forms a triangular form just like the words or the sentences in this poem, okay? So in this section, number one, find words in the poem that rhyme with the words below. What rhymes with spice? What rhymes with fell? And what rhymes with Joe? Okay, then for number two, which vegetable does Joe say he is quite near? B. Number one, how many times does Joe hear his mother calling? Number two, find the phrase pyramid of jams in the poem. What do you think this means? And the last part, how do you think Joe's mother is feeling in the poem? Write your ideas here. And now for your maths, Johan, get your maths out and open up on Thursday. Okay, so in front of you, you have your maths activity pack out on and open on Thursday. So, year ones, for our maths, all you have to do is complete the following. Year ones, you just write the answers down for the sums. It's all minus, it is all fairly simple. Then we've got some more revision with some more subtraction sums. Again, year ones, all you have to do is subtract. Remember, we start from the back and we move forward, okay? So we are looking at subtraction sums. We start with our unit and we move forward. So you'll start with 2 minus 8. Oops, it doesn't work, so you'll have to borrow from number 4. Okay, that is how you do it. Do all 18 sums. Then that's it for your maths, and we move on to our science. Please get your science activity pack out. Open up on Thursday, and let's look at what we have to do for Thursday. Oh, Thursday's activity is fun, year ones. You can use color pencils to draw a line from the word to the correct body part. Year ones, you can use color pencils or you can use monomy. Use different colors so that it makes it easier for me to distinguish where your lines are going and from what word. Okay, so that is all you have to do. So we are looking at body parts. All you have to do is draw a line from the body part to the word. Okay, so for instance, head. So you'll draw a line from head, from the word head to the actual head of the body. Make sure that your lines match the correct body part. Okay, that is what you have to do for today's science, and that is basically it for today's maths, English, and science. I'll be back tomorrow to explain Friday's work.